In today's video, I'll teach you how to stream on YouTube using OBS. So first of all, you'll have to make sure OBS Studio is opened. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now what you have to do is simply click on the file option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Click on it. Now after you do that, settings will open up. You'll be able to find various options over here. At left, you'll be able to find the options like general, appearance, stream, output, audio, etc. Click on this option, stream. Now right now, Twitch is selected as service. What you have to do is click on it. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, YouTube RTMPS. After you do that, you'll be able to connect the account. Over here in the server section, you'll be able to find the option like connect account, use stream key. You can also use the stream key if you want, but the easier method is to connect the account. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, connect account. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. You'll have to connect to your account. Simply click on the Google account that you would like to connect with. Now if you connect your account, OBS Studio will be able to manage a YouTube account. Simply click on this option, continue. Now you can see over here authorization has been completed successfully. Now you can go back to the OBS Studio. Now after you do that, simply click on this option apply that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can simply close the settings. Now you can see over here YouTube chat will appear over here. Once the broadcast has been created, your live chat will appear over here. So what you can do is simply add the sources over here. Click on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the source that you would like to add. Here I've just clicked on the option media source. Now click on this option OK. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the properties for media source over here. You can browse the files if you want. Simply click on the option browse. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to browse the files. You can simply go to the required destination and click on the source that you would like to add. After you select the media, click on this option open. Now after you do that, click on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the media source has been added over here. Now if you want to start streaming, what you have to do is click on this option start streaming that you can see right over here on your screen. After you do that, the streaming will be started. So like this, you'll be able to stream on YouTube using OBS. So that is how you stream on YouTube using OBS. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.